In this video, I'm going to be showing you what droplet beads are. So these are droplets. You can see that this is a little bit different from the teardrop I showed us from the beginning of this video. Here is what the teardrop look like. Although the color I showed us is different from this, but this is what teardrop look like. And these are what droplets look like. Okay, you can see the difference between the two beads. So I'm going to be showing you how to attach them because the attachment also is different. If you look at this point, you will see the eye of, take a look. Can you see the eye of this droplet? It is from this eye that you get to like attach. Okay, so from this eye you get to attach it to your fabric. So you can see that it's quite different from this one where you get to attach it from below here. So I'm going to show us what you need to do to attach it. You can either attach this as a standalone, like you want to attach it only this one to your fabric or to other beads, or you attach it alongside with some beads. So if I'm attaching it as a standalone, I'm going to show us that first. So go ahead to pass in your needle into your fabric like this. Remember that you have to use matching thread at all times. So once it's passed like this, then you can now go in through the hole. So this is the hole, just go in through that hole just like this, and then to the other side. So this hole is actually blocked. This one is blocked. Let's take another one. So go in through the hole, which is the eye of the bead. Okay, can you see that? So then you come out this way, and then you go into your fabric again. And see how I'm doing this, going through your fabric again. You can do that again one more time, or one more time we just secure it. But while you are doing that, ensure that the bead does not become stiffened. Can you see this is stiffened like this? So let it just relax on its own. Okay, it should not become too tight. So just going to go in. So I'm just going in one more time like that. Okay, this is just perfect for me. Then I just come on and then I tie. So I tie the thread multiple times, just like we always do, just so that we can get a good security and the bead does not fall off with time or after a few washing. So once this is done, you can now cut off your leftover thread. Can you see? So this is it as a stand-alone bead. So this is it as a standalone. Can you see how it is now? So we have been able to attach it standing alone just by itself. So this is how to attach a droplet. So another way to attach the droplet is for you to attach it alongside with other beads like seed beads or smaller beads. Okay, so how do you do that? You do that by, like, just as a sound, you're attaching it with some other beads. So I'm going to pick this point. I'm also going to say that this fabric, you can see that I already marked the points that I want to have the beads on. So like I've told us severally in our videos that you should ensure that you mark wherever you want to do your beading. That makes it work easier and you get precision as well. So that's by the way. So let me just continue. So I pick my next point here, okay, and I come on here to secure my thread. Okay, I'm just securing my thread. I'm passing my thread and then securing the thread into the fabric just like this. And once that is done, I can start with one bead first. Okay, take a look at this one bead first. Okay, or you can actually also do bigger beads, or you can do three beads like this. Okay, then one of the teardrop now. So one teardrop. Then you have another three beads. Can you see that? Okay, so now you go on to pass this and attach it into that same point. And this is how you achieve it with other beads. Take a look, you can see the effect that this is giving us is slightly different from the one that this gave us. So this is another way by which you can actually attach your beads. Note that you can actually use different type of or two colors at once. It's just that what I'm trying to achieve, I just want it to be a single color. So the moment you have achieved what you want, like I always say, ensure that the bead it still maintains that flexibility. You don't want it to be stiffened. Okay. So once you have achieved what you want, you can go ahead to make your knot, secure the thread, and then go on to cut off the. So you can go on to cut off your excess thread. Okay. So just ensure that you do that as neatly as possible.
And these are the ways that you can actually stitch your droplets to beads and to your fabric. This can also be added to like the tip of fringe. These are the several ways that this can actually be done. I hope you have found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in these next videos.